Pranayama or breathwork is a fundamental part of yoga which helps to reduce stress, calms the mind, and improves overall well-being. Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's class. In celebration of the International Yoga Day, I'm here to bring to you a 5-minute pranayama practice that can be done every day and by everyone. So we'll begin this session either sitting in Sukhasana, or you can also sit on a chair with your feet supported. Just remember to keep your back straight, chin parallel. Relax your shoulders, take a deep breath in, completely breathe out through your mouth, letting out a big sigh and close your eyes. We're going to stay here for 2 breaths, just noticing the air moving in through your nose and out through your nose. Now slowly bring your right palm to your abdomen, left to your chest. Noticing the rise and fall of your abdomen and the movement in your chest. Now as you breathe in, push your belly into your palm, and as you breathe out, gently pull your navel back towards your spine. Just focusing on belly breathing or diaphragmatic breathing. 3 more rounds. Push your belly into your palm. Just notice your palm move forward. Exhale. Gently pull your navel back towards your spine. 2 more. You're still breathing in and out through our nose. And 1. Release your hands. Let your left palm continue resting on your thigh. In your right palm, you can adopt Nasika Mudra, where you're just going to use your thumb to close and open your right nostril and your ring finger to open and close your left nostril. The index and middle finger can rest the space between your eyebrows, or it can be folded into your palms. Now, Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama or alternate nostril breathing. You're going to breathe out completely through your left nostril. Now simply breathe in through your left. With your ring finger, close the left nostril, completely breathe out through your right. Now breathe in through your right. Close your right nostril, breathe out through your left. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama helps balance the right and left side of your brain and helps you remain calm. So we'll do 5 rounds of this together, and I'm going to count. Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your left nostril. Breathe out for 4 through your right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your right nostril. Completely exhale through your left. 4, 3, 2, 1. This was 1 round. We're going to do 4 more together. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your left nostril. Breathe out through your right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your right nostril. Exhale through your left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go again. Round 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your right nostril, breathe out through your left. 4, 3, 1. Remember to keep your shoulders relaxed, chin parallel. Inhale through your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your right nostril. Completely exhale through your left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go again. Inhale. Count in your mind the next 2 rounds. Exhale through your right. Inhale through your right. Close your right nostril. Completely exhale through your left. Last round, breath in. Close, exhale. Breathe in. Close your right nostril. Completely exhale through your left. Slowly release your hands. Relax. One more inhalation through both your nostrils. Completely exhale through both. Now we're going to do Bhramari Pranayama or bee's breath. This stimulates the neural center, the respiratory center and the circulatory center in your brain. So use your thumb to cover your ears, just pressing the flap to cover your ears with your fingers. Place it at the bridge of your nose. Take a deep breath in through both your nostrils. Completely breathe out through both. We're going to do 3 rounds. Place the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. And we're going to chant the nurse sound. Like you're mimicking the humming bee sound. Inhale through your nose as you exhale. Let's do 3 more rounds together. Notice the vibrations throughout your head and face region. Inhale through your nose, tip of the tongue to the roof of your mouth. And as you exhale all through your exhalation, the length will vary for each one of us. 2 more rounds. Breath in. Last round. Slowly drop your hands. Drop your chin towards your chest. Bring your palms in front of you. Looking at your palms, open your eyes with a few blinks. Thank you so much for being here. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. A very happy yoga day to all of you. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this class was valuable to you, please like and share. Namaste.